Hi guys, I hope you can listen to me. My audio is clear. Yes? Okay, so let's start. A little apology from you people that I cannot edit this audio, so this will be the very raw and unedited form of me. So let's start. In our everyday life, don't we face judgments from people? Oh, you look like that. Oh, it's your skin color. Oh, you are not so tall. Oh, you sing badly. Oh, you don't know how to dance. Oh, you don't know how to write. Oh, you don't know how to dress for an office party. We have so many people judging us from morning till night, whatever we do, whether it is our workplace or whether it is our school or whether it is a simple household work. We are judged all for it. And sometimes we just get so frustrated. We reach that boiling point and it's like bus ho gaya. We don't want to be judged or scrutinized by anybody, and that stress is so much that we often tend to more complicate things and do it in a way which is not supposed to be done. So what's a simple solution to stop all this and to liberate ourselves from the stress which is created because of the judgment of people? I'll give you just a very simple solution. You can try it out, and if it works, do let me know in the comments. If it doesn't work, then also let me know in the comments. It's very harmless method, so you can use it. Yes, and so let me tell you what's the method is. So we are all very busy in our lives. Let's assume that we all are very very busy, but can't we just squeeze out 1 hour or at least 30 minutes to 15 minutes for ourselves? Just a little, a very teeny weeny part of our time. Okay, so let's assume that we have 1 hour for ourselves in a day and one corner of the house. If it's a room, it's good, but if you can't afford a room, then even a corner. And if you live on streets, hypothetically, even if you live on streets, a corner of a street is also okay. Please don't be hurt. It's just, I was just speaking in the flow. Okay, so you just have to take one corner of the house and do a particular activity for 1 hour, that activity for which you don't want to be judged. You like the activity, you like it to the core, but you just don't do it, you just don't perform it for the fear of judgment. It's like you think, if I do this, people will say, oh, you don't know how to do it, you do not know how accurately it has to be done, you don't know the perks, you don't know the ABC of this activity. For example, I love to sing film songs, but my sur never matches, my notes never match in a film song. So what do? I shut myself in a room and I just sing blatantly without any music, without any notes, just for 15, 20, 30 minutes. I just sing and sing and sing, and I just let my heart pour out. Sorry, I just let my heart pour out so that I can just liberate myself from the stress of the day. Or suppose you like to dance, but people say, Arey, you are not a good dancer. Okay, so you think people will judge you? Dance madly in one corner of the house. Open your play any song or sing yourself and dance on your own notes. If you like art, but again you don't have the strokes, take a piece of paper, draw anything, scribble on the paper if you want, for 15 minutes, 20 minutes, 1 hour. Just do it and let nobody know about this. Even if somebody is seeing you or watching you, okay, and you're thinking that, acha, what he will say, just forget about it. It's your me time. There's nobody allowed to judge you in your me time. Okay, I hope that is very clear to you. Even yoga, meditation can be practiced, but it's not somebody will judge you for, so it's mostly the artistic thing. Even if somebody judges you for your writing skills, like I have faced this a lot in my school life. My teachers have always said, you have the knack but you can't write properly. And I feel so frustrated that because I have an habit of writing 2-3 pages at a stretch, so I just write and write and write, and I don't fill in the gaps. So what do when I feel very angry? I want to vent out my feelings. I can't go and vent it on my mother. She's very elder and she will only vent me out. So what do? I just open the laptop and I type things for straight half an hour, 1 hour. I just type things and let my anger out. And that write-up is not read by anybody, and believe me, it's the best write-up I write. Okay, so it's that. So do something that you really really like, but don't do it just because log kya kahenge. Just stop this chain and do it from today. If you like the video, like it. If you do not like the video, dislike it. If you want to comment anything appropriately, you are welcome. Please don't put misogynistic and inappropriate comments on my page. I really don't. I really feel insulted for it. So please don't do it. And I hope everything was audible. If some things are not, please excuse me for that. The video has been stretched for long. So bye, and meet you in the next video.